Jenaline Labrado was still in high school when her family would travel all the way from their hometown in Misamis Occidental, Mindanao to join the Fiesta Senior activities in Cebu. They would not mind lining up at the wee hours of dawn just to kiss the beloved image of the Holy Child. She even got closer to Santo Niño when she resided in Cebu to work, as she regularly attended the daily 5:30 p.m. Mass at the Basilica after her shift. Her husband Ray, on the other hand, started his devotion to the Holy Child when he was still in grade school, as he would regularly accompany his grandmother to the Friday Mass at the Basilica, walking from Alumnos Mambaling to downtown Cebu City. He was 14 years old when his Lola died, but he continued the same routine with his parents until he was already working at MEPS in Lapu-Lapu City. Ray met Jenaline at a charismatic community and found out that they both shared a devotion to the Holy Child. Since then, they would attend masses at the Basilica together as a couple. They could now hardly believe that they have been installed as this year's Hermano and Hermana Mayores during the opening Salvo Mass for the 457th Fiesta Senior celebration held this Friday morning, January 7. They have been chosen by the Augustinian priest to help make the Fiesta celebration successful and to lead the community towards their devotion to Senior Santo Niño. Jenaline was emotional when she recalled how their faith in the Lord and their devotion to the Holy Child Jesus remained in the center of their 26-year-old marriage, and this kept their relationship strong even through the hardships they experienced as a couple.
Dako kay mong kalipay, no, nagyatag ni Senior na sa tibok namong kinabuhi, no, for 26 years namin na marriage, devotees naman gyud ni Senior, pero pasalamat mi gitagami opportunity ni Senior na mahimo mi hermano. So dako kay mong kalipay and we are happy to serve for him.
Pasal pag-ibig maayo po sa magkalihukan po sa simbahan.
Ray and Jenaline are now both senior executive vice chairpersons of the International Marketing Group, and they dedicate their success to Senior Santo Niño. Their colleagues at IMG were also present to witness their installation, and according to the couple, this blessing has inspired them even more to continue in helping Filipino families.
When we get married, daghang kami mga problema, no? Daghang kami utang, pero tungod ni Senior ug tungod sa amo ang company nga iyang gihatag niya kanamo, mao gyud nakatabang sa amo.
Very so good kayo sa una good food, pero of course wag gyud mo undag og pag-ampo gyapon kay we believe na taga-amot yung chance ni Senior Santo Niño kay naramig siya permi as long nga dila jud ka mo biya pud niya. Ang blessing mo sunod naman gyud as long na daghan sa matabangan. Kay among kompanya po is about helping sad, about educating financial literacy good sa programa namo nga we believe nga the more people we help, the more po na maging successful ta sa atong gibuhat sa atong company.
Especially karon ang theme sa this year is Santo Niño, the source of communion, life for the mission. So we have also a mission in our company na we need to help your 30 million families by year 2030 for educating financial education.
As an expression of thanksgiving, they offered a sinulog dance during the end of the ceremony to give praise to the Holy Child Jesus.
Viva Pit Senior!
Viva Pit Senior!
Viva Pit Senior! And thank you, Senior Santo Niño.